Welcome, Lloyd Lofton here. Today we're going to talk about how to make money with a coffee concession. And the first thing you want to do is make sure that you streamline your cost. If you have a limited budget, you want to make sure that you're marketing a coffee that your customers will buy. It may not be important to have every kind of coffee. It may be important to have the coffee that they buy the most. Remember, you want to sell what people buy, not what you want to sell. Most salespeople tend to sell the way they buy. And the truth is, you need to market the way customers buy. Then you want to package your products according to daily events. In other words, lifestyle issues for your customers. In other words, breakfast, lunch and learn, have a snack pack. So package your products together around the things that people are going to do anyway. If they're going to have a coffee in the morning, or they're going to have a bagel with it. So put a package together. If they're going to have a lunch together and they usually come with somebody, have a lunch and learn program for them. And then put a snack pack together so they always have an opportunity to do an ancillary sell and take something with them. Location's important. Sell where there are large groups of people congregate. You don't want to be in a situation where people have to seek you out. You want to be in a situation where people would come to you anyway. And then you want to reward the behavior that you want your customers to repeat. So use coupons and discounts for referrals. Today we've talked about how to make money with a coffee concession.